How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Just one use to straighten hair permanently. Results are same like keratin, extenso, rebonding. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to straighten your hair at home. All we need is 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 capsules of vitamin E. Don't use the green capsule of vitamin E, only use the yellow ones. One tablespoon of Vaseline. Mix all the ingredients very well until become a cream texture. Now apply it on your hair. Then brush your hair for 30 minutes. Then wash it. Finally, I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.